Hello friends, once again welcome back to my videos on Vedic mathematics. Last time we had learned about the non-standard non-standard basis, depending on a problem, how to select the proper non-standard base, and also we have seen how to multiply two numbers which are both above a non-standard base by selecting a proper non-standard base. So today, in our today's video, we'll study how to multiply two numbers, both of which are below a non-standard base. So take the first example, 47 into 45. Now since 47 and 45 both are two-digit numbers, I will take the standard base as 10. But taking standard base as 10, if I do these calculations, the calculations will be a bit difficult because the difference between the base 10 and these numbers is comparatively too high. So I'll take a multiple of 10, which is closer to both these numbers as a non-standard base. And the most suitable number in this case is 50. So I'll take the non-standard base as 50. And as you can see here, the non-standard base 50 is 5 times the standard base 10. Now, our remaining procedure will be almost the same. So write 47 and 45, one below the other. Now, 47 is 3 less than the non-standard base 50, and 45 is 5 less than the non-standard base 50. So I'll write -3 and -5 in the second column, multiply these two. So -3 into -5 is 15. Now, do the cross addition. So if I add 45 plus -3 or 47 plus -5, both will give me 42. Keep it in mind that the number in the left partition, 42, is a base 50 number. So how to change it to base 10? Multiply by 5, because the non-standard base is 5 times the standard base. So 42 multiplied by 5, and that will give me 210. So I will write this here, 210 in the left partition and 15 in the right partition. Keep it in mind that our standard base is 10, so there will be only one digit in the right partition. So carry forward this one, and that will become 211. So finally, 47 multiplied by 45. So write these two numbers in both the partitions together. So that will be 2115, 2050. Let us consider one more problem here. So the next problem I'm taking here is 129 multiplied by 127. Now here, 129 and 127, both of these are three-digit numbers. So the standard base is 100. Now keep two things in mind. Taking 100 as the base, if I do the calculations, surely it will be a bit difficult. Secondly, there is no multiple of 100 which is closer to these two numbers than 100 itself. And hence, instead of taking 100 as the standard base, I will take the standard base as 10. Now select a multiple of 10 that is closer to both 129 and 127, which I can take it as 130. And hence I will take the non-standard base as 130. So now we can see that 130, that is the non-standard base, is 13 times the standard base 10. Let us follow now the same procedure. Write 129 and 127, one below the other. Now 129 is one less than the non-standard base 130, so I'll write -1 here. And 127 is 3 less than the non-standard base 130. So take the product in this column, -1 into -3, that is 3. And do the cross addition, 127 plus -1 or 129 plus -3. Both will give me 126. Now, let me change the number in the left partition 126 to the standard base. And since non-standard base is 13 times the standard base, I'll multiply 126 by 13. So 126 multiplied by 13 will give me 1638. 1638 and 3 in this partition. Now the standard base is 10. It has only 1 0. So there will be only one digit in the right partition. And hence, the product 129 into 127. I'll write both the numbers in both the partitions together. 1638, 16,383. So the product 129 and 127 is 16,383. Now let us take a slightly bigger number so that we get more of the confidence in this particular method. So let us find the square of 4,980. Now, 4,980 is a 4-digit number and hence the standard base in this case will be 1000. Now let us consider a multiple of 1000 that is quite closer to 4,980 and that will be 5,000. And hence I'll take the non-standard base. as 5,000, and 5,000, that is the non-standard base, is 5 times 1,000. So non-standard base is 5 times the standard base. So let us follow the same procedure once again. 4,980, 4,980. Let us write one below other. Now, 4,980 is 20 less than the non-standard base. So I'll write negative 20 here in the second column and take the product. So 20 multiplied by 20 is 400. That I will write in the right side partition. Now, do the cross addition. Obviously, in this case, both the cross additions, 4,980 plus negative 20 will be 4,960. Now change this 4,960 from the non-standard base 5,000 to standard base 1,000. So I'll multiply this by 5. So 4,960 multiplied by 5 will give me 24800, 24,800. So I will write this in two partitions here. Now, since the standard base is 1000, which has 3 zeros, there will be 3 digits in the right partition. So now I can very well say that the square of 4,980 is 24800,400. 24,800,400. And that is your final answer. You can very well check it on the calculator. That's what I did just now. And it is coming out to be absolutely correct. So without using the calculator, very easily and within no time, I have found this answer and then verified on my calculator, which is absolutely correct. So now, as usual, let me give you some problems for the practice. So I will give you some products. You have to verify that. That means the answer will be with you. Just using this particular method, see that the answer comes out to be correct. So the first product I'm giving you, 79 multiplied by 78, and verify that this multiplication is 6,162. Then second one, let me write this again. The first product that we are going to take here is 79 into 78. You have to check it that this is 6,162. Take the second problem here, 605, or yeah, 605 multiplied by 608. that is 367,840. Now in this case, the standard base can be taken as 600, but I'll suggest you just to check this method. Take the standard base as 610 and take the, non-standard base as 610 and standard base as 10. And try this particular sum. And the third sum I'm giving you, try to find out the square of 6,985 using this particular method, and you should get the answer 48790,225. 48,790,225. So in the first case, take the non-standard bases, obviously 80. Second base, just to verify this particular method, instead of taking 600 as the base, non-standard base, take 610 as the non-standard base. And in the third case, take the non-standard bases, 7,000, and just check these products. So if you get the products correctly, make a comment on my YouTube channel on this video, and shortly I will come with some more interesting tactics in Vedic mathematics. I'm sure that if you practice these particular tactics, your calculations will improve, as well as you will start taking more interest in mathematics. See you soon, friends. Enjoy the day.